Hello everyone. This is a short introductory video to WindSim Accelerator, the cloud-based solution that WindSim launched in April 2022. And in this video, I'm going to show you very quickly the workflow of WindSim Accelerator. To start a project in WindSim Accelerator and to run the wind field, you need to run the train simulation and the train setup in WindSim desktop version. For that reason, I have made a test and I've called it a test accelerator. Uh, for running a train simulation, you need to select your domain and the size of your domain, the elevation and the roughness, and all the necessary information that you already know about it. I have made my domain, I have made my grid, and I have set up my elevation and roughness. And you can see the necessary information that is already provided here and has been run here in the train module in the WindSim desktop version. Once this process is done, you can simply save the project here, and you are ready to go to WindSim Accelerator. Here in WindSim Accelerator, you open the dashboard and you just upload the project that you worked it on in your desktop version. For example, here I can easily drop and drag the project folder here, or I can choose the directory. You can see that my case is already saved here, and then I just select it here and upload it right in accelerator.windsim.com. Um, Depending on the size of your file, this actually can take up to several minutes. I have already uploaded this project here, and you can see it in my dashboard actually here. So if I click on Test Accelerator, you can see on the left side we have a bar which is called Properties. Here again, or you can see similar properties that you can have in your desktop version, such as boundary, initial conditions. The number of sectors that you can specify to run your simulation, the height of boundary layer, the speed above the boundary layer height, the boundary conditions at the top, which here I have chosen, for example, the fixed pressure, the physical models, the turbulence model, the air density, as well as the calculation parameters. For example, what is the number of your iterations? What would be your convergence criteria? And what would you like to monitor as a convergence criteria? Yeah, and if I go back to my dashboard and to the project that I have here, for example, uh, once all the properties are set up and you specified all the necessary information for wind field simulation, you can run the wizard, can run the wind field simulation, and you will get some uh, results such as field values. Here I have run the simulations before, but if you click on run wind fields, each and every single sectors that you have specified on the left side will start running simultaneously. This is a parallel solution. It solves the uh, simulations parallelly, and depending again on the grid number of grid cells and the size of your domain, and yeah, the simulation cost, it can take from few minutes to really to few hours. And yeah, here are some results. For example, here you can see the wind field, and if I click on the spot values, again, you can see the results in the tabular format, or you can see it in the graph here. For example, the spot values, U, max and mean, the K and epsilon, and you can see that it has nearly converged after 100 simulations for example, sector 0. You can access similar results for all the sectors that are simulated, and at the end you can simply download the project by clicking this button here, and you get your projects in a zip format. And again, you can open it in the desktop version and continue your post-processing or um, running other type of modules that you used to run in WindSim desktop version. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please reach out WindSim, and we will come back to you very shortly.